They're on vacation sa Japan. Kai is doing his rehab, so he's doing it here. Kinontak kami ni Irvin. Irvin was my assistant coach in NLEX. No? So, nandito yung Japanese coach ni Kai. Siyempre, lahat naman ng coaches, they want to experience yung yung iba-ibang sistema, iba-ibang styles ng ibang coaches. So they asked if they could attend our practice. So sabi ko, walang problema naman. No? Basta naman hindi competition, okay lang. No? Kahit sino pwede namang manood, wag lang yung direct competition. So sabi ko, sige, you can watch. No? So dumating sila. Even Kai, when I was in NLEX, he was playing with our team before he went abroad. Pampakondisyon niya. No? So I think they felt comfortable being former associates, yung tatay niya, and at the same time dati naman siyang nakikipaglaro sa team ko. They asked if they could be permitted. So dumating sila sa practice, tapos sabi nila gusto nila manood ng laro. Sabi ko, okay lang. So, ma-experience nila yung local basketball natin. Yung coach, si Coach Ansay, kinukwento nila Kai tsaka nila Irvin. Kaya daw gustong makita yung practice or laro namin. Dahil medyo pareho kami ng temperament. So, ganun din daw siya. No? So, sabi ko, birds of the same feather flock together talaga. No? Kaya medyo maganda yung kwentuhan namin nung nandun sila.
Ano yung mga general lang na napagkwentuhan ninyo?
Well, ako, sinasabi ko yung sikreto. Sabi ko, kasi magagalit yung players pag hindi nila alam yung expect nila. So ako sabi ko, once we sign them, they know what they're in for. Sabi ko, kasi may kinukwento si Irvin noon na minsan yung mga player nila sa Japan nagtatampo, no? So sabi ko, para hindi magtampo, dapat alam na nila kaagad kung ano yung nila, kung ano yung pinapasukan nila. So management of expectations lang talaga. Yung mga kwentuhang ganun lang. No?
Hindi mo naman nakausap si Kai about PBA?
Nilabas ko nga na na-draft na namin, kaya nandun siya kasama sa picture ng team namin. Wala na pag-asa yung iba, i-draft siya. Secret drafting. Okay, thank you.